Morning students. Today we will study about the function. In the previous video I discussed about relation. Today we have to discuss about function. So to understand the concept of function we will study some type of relations. So suppose there are two sets x and y. There are two non-empty sets x and y. X contains these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, y, a, b, c. A relation is defined from x to y like this. 1 is related to a, 2 is related to a, 3 is related to b, 3 is related to c, 4 is related to a. 1 is related to a, 2 is related to a, 3 is related to b and c, 4 is related to a. If we will write it in roster form, in the form of ordered pair, we will write what? 1a, 1 is connected to a, 2a, 4a, 3b, 3c. We can write this relation in the roster form like this. Let us see another relation. This set is x, this set is y. A relation is defined from set x to y. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains 3 elements A, B, C. 1 is related to B, 2 is also related to B, 3 is related to C and 4 is not related to any element in the set Y. We can write this relation in the roster form like this: 1B, 2B, 3C. This is the first. This is second relation. Let us see third one. Set x, set y. Relation is defined from set x to y. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. B contains 3 elements A, B, C. Suppose A is connected to 1 is connected to A, 2 is connected to B, 3 is associated to B, 4 is connected to C. We can write this relation like this: 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C. This is the relation in the roster form. Now we have to observe these 3 cases. In the first case, we see that 1, 2 and 4, these 3 elements are related to one element A, and one element 3, it is related to 2 elements B and C. So when we write it in the roster form, 2 ordered pairs are 3B, 3C, both have same component 3. 2 ordered pairs 3B and 3C have same first component 3. It means one element of X is related to 2 elements in the set Y. Here 1 is related to B, 2 is also related to B, 3 is related to C, but 4 is not connected to any element in the set Y. And third case, 1 is connected to A, 2 and 3 both are connected to B, 4 is associated to C, we can write it 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C. So what we have to observe here? We see that here the element 3 has two images. The element 3 is connected to, related to two elements. So it is not a function. It is not a function. Here one element is left in the set X. One element is left in the set X which is not related to any element in the set Y. It is also not a function. It is not a function. This one also not a function. But see the third relation, we see that each element of the set X has unique image in the set Y. Means each element of the X is uniquely related to the elements of Y. 1 has only one image A. 2 has only one image B. 3 has only one image B. 4 has only one image C. So each element of set X is uniquely related to the element of set Y. So it is called a function. It is a function. So how we will define a function? If we take two non-empty set X and Y, then for every element of X there is unique Y. Every element of set X there is unique element in the set Y, then it is called function. Means a relation from set X to Y is said to be function if each element of set X is uniquely related to the element of set Y. Means for each element there is unique image in the set Y. If one element of set X has many image in the set Y, or one element of set X are related to many elements in the set Y, like first case 3 is related to B and C both. So two ordered pair 3B, 3C have same first component, so it is not a function. In second case, one element is left, it is not connected to any element in the set Y, it is also not a function. If no element is left in the set X and each element has unique image in the set Y, then this relation is called function. So function is what? It is a special type of relation. It is a special type of relation. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. First one is also relation, second one is also relation, third one is also relation. But these two relations are not function. Third one is function. Why it is a function? Because no element is left in the set X. And each element of the set X has unique image in the set Y. Unique image means only one image in the set Y. But here in the first case, one element has two images in the Y, B and C. Here, one element is left, it is not connected to any element. So there should be two conditions for the function. No element must be left in the set X, and each element of set X has unique image in the set Y. Then that relation is called function. And when we write it function, we represent it like this. Function defined from set X to set Y. And this relation R is replaced by F. This R is replaced by F. F means function. So function is what? It is a special type of relation. I hope that you understand the concept of function. So we can write the definition. If X and Y are two non-empty sets, then a relation defined from X to Y is said to be a function f, if x and y are two non-empty sets, then a relation defined from x to y is said to be a function f if and only if for every x belongs x, there exists unique y belongs to the set y. For every x belongs x, for every element of x, there is unique image in the set y, then it is called a function. And it is written as function defined from x to y. Example I have already taken. Suppose this set is x, this set is y. Here 1, 2, 3, three elements are there. Only two elements are here. One is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is also related to B. So this relation is called function. So we can write this in the form of ordered pair 1A, 2B, 3B. 1A, 2B, 3B. We see that each element is related to the element in the set Y and has unique image. 1 has only one image A, 2 has only one image B, 3 has only one image B. So this relation is called function. No element is left here. Every element is associated to some element in Y. So set X, the whole set X is called domain of the function. Set X is called domain of the function. Set X, whole the set X is called, first set is called domain of the function. And set Y is called codomain of the function f. Set Y is called codomain of the function f. Suppose here there are three elements A, B, C, and collection of all those elements in the set Y which are image of the elements of X are called range of the function. So collection of all the elements in the set in the codomain Y which are images of elements in the set X. Collection of all the elements in the set Y means codomain Y, which are images of, means which are related to the elements in the set X under the function f. Under the function f is called a range of the function. Is called a range of the function. So in this case, if we have to write a range of the function, f, what we will write? Y contains three elements A, B, C, but only two elements A and B are related to the elements of X. C is not related to any element in the set X. Only A and B are related to the elements of set X. So range of F will be only A and B. Codomain is whole the set ABC, but range will be only A and B. So thus we see that range of the function is the subset of codomain. The range of the function, it will be subset of codomain Y. It may be equal to Y, it may or may not be, it may or may not be equal to Y. If it is equal to Y, then codomain and range both will be equal. But if it is not equal to codomain, then it will be only subset of the codomain. So range will be only subset of codomain if both are not equal. So these are about domain, codomain and range of the function. Again see what is domain. Whole the set X, that is collection of the elements 1, 2, 3, it will be the domain of the function. Whole the set Y, it will be the codomain of the function ABC. But range only those elements of set Y which are images of the elements of set X, they are called range of the function. So here range of the function is only AB. Range of the function is the subset of codomain Y. It may or may not be equal to codomain Y. When it will be equal, we can write range of the function is equal to Y. So it may or may not be equal to the codomain. With the help of graph, we can also understand the meaning of function. Let us see. This is x-axis. It is y-axis. On x-axis, we will take the elements of set X. At y-axis, we will take the element of set Y, that is codomain. Suppose graph is like this. With the help of graph, we have to tell this graph represents a function or not. Or like this. It is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is circle. This is parabola. And one more graph we can take. Next graph is like this. We have to tell which graph represents a function. So to know which graph will represent a function, we will draw a line parallel to y-axis. We will draw a line parallel to y-axis. We will draw a line parallel to y-axis if this line cuts the graph at two distinct points. See here, A point, B point. Then it is not a function. Why? Because for one value of x, this is one value of x, we are getting two values of y, y1 and y2. At one value of x, we are getting two values of y. Means x has two images y1 and y2. So it is not a function. It is not a function. So if we draw a line parallel to y-axis and it cuts the graph at two distinct points, then it is not a function. Similarly, see here. If we draw a line parallel to y-axis, it cuts us two distinct points A and B here. So for one value of x, we are getting two values of y. So it does not represent a function. it does not represent a function. See third one, if we draw a line parallel to y-axis, it meets at only one point. So for one value of x, we are getting only one value y. It represents a function. It represents a function. So with the help of graph, we can study about the function. It is not a function region. For one value of x, we are getting two values of y. Because for one value of x, we are getting two values of y. So x is related to 2y. So it is not a function. In this way, we can check a given graph represents a function or not. So in the function, we see that each element of set x has unique image in the set y. You can write note here. In a function, two ordered pairs have not same first component. In a function, when we will write it in the roster form, we get two ordered pairs have not same first component. If they have a same first component, it means it is not a function. If two ordered pairs have same first component, then it is not a function. It is not a function. Example, suppose 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C, 4 is also related to, 3 is also related to D, like this. 1 is connected to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C, 3 is related to C. Means 3 is related to two elements C and D. So 3 has two images C and D. So it is not a function. So two ordered pair 3C 3D have same first component. First components are same. So it is not a function. It is not a function. So if two ordered pairs have same first component, then it is not a function. So I have told about what is the function. Function is a special case of relation. Every relation is not a function, but every function is a relation. What is the domain of the function, codomain of the function, range of the function, and with the help of graph, how we can check a given graph is a function or not. Now we will see the types of the function. Now we will see about types of function. First is one-one function. It is also called injective function. One-one function or injective. What is the definition? A function defined from x to y. A function defined from x to y is said to be one-one if and only if distinct elements of set x, different elements of set x have different image in set y. Then this function is called one-one. Means if x1 and x2 not equal, x1 x2 both belongs x, x1 x2 both belongs x. So if x1 and x2 are not equal, their image will not be equal. and if their image are equal, fx1 is equal to fx2, it means x1 and x2 both are equal. So with the help of this relation, we can prove that a given function is 1 1 or not. With the help of Venn diagram, we can understand it. Suppose this is the set x, this is y, 1 2 3, a b c d, 1 is connected to a, 2 b, 3 c. So we see that different elements of set x have different image in the set y. Different elements are connected to different elements, associated to different elements in the set y. Then this type of function is called 1 1. This type of function is called 1 1. So different elements have different image in the set y. Or we can say if fx1 is equal to fx2, then we can write x1 is equal to x2. So it is 1 1 function. Now next, many one function. Many one function. What is many one function? A function f defined from set x to set y is said to be many one if and only if at least two elements of set x, at least two elements of set x have same image in the set y. At least two elements of set x have same image in the set y. Suppose this is the set x, y function is defined from x to y. Take the elements 1 2 3, a b c d like this. 1 is connected to elements a, but 2 and 3 both are connected to b. 2 and 3, two elements have same image b. See in this Venn diagram, elements 2 and 3 of the set x have same image b in the set y. So if at least two elements of x have same image in the y, it is called many one function. Means many elements of set x have same image in the set y. So this is called many one function. So 1 1 function, many one function. Next, onto function. Onto function. A function f from x to y is said to be onto. Is said to be onto if and only if every element of set y is image of at least one element of set x. A function f from x to y, defined from x to y, is said to be onto function if and only if every element of set Y is image of at least one element of set X. Means every element of codomain is the image of at least one element of the domain X. No element must be left in the codomain. See, with the help of Venn diagram, these are two non-empty set X and Y. Function is defined from X to Y like this: 1, 2, 3, and here A, B, C. Suppose we can take 4. So 1 is related to B, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to C, 4 is related to C. We see that no element of the set Y is left here which is not the image of any element. Every element is involved in the relation. So every element of set Y is the image of at least one element of the set X. Here A is the image of 1, A is the image of 2, B is the image of 1, and C is the image of two elements 3 and 4. So no element is left in the set Y. This function is called onto function. This function is called onto function. So it is a third type. Next is into function. Next one is into function. So what is into function? In the into function, there exists at least one element in the set Y which is not related to any element in the set X. So a function f from X to Y is said to be into if and only if there exists at least one element in the set Y which is not an image of any element in the set X. So there exists at least one element in the set Y means codomain which is not an image of any element in the set X. Means there exists at least one element in Y which is not related to any element in the set X. Like this is the set X. Set Y, we can take 1, 2, 3. Here A, B, C, D. 1 is related to A, 2 is connected to B, 3 is connected to C. We see that in the codomain Y, element D is not an image of any element in the set X. So one element in the set Y, that is D, it is not related to any element of set X. So D is left here. D is not involved in this relation. So this type of relation is called into relation. It means what? A function which is not onto is into. The function which is not onto is into. In onto function, every element of set Y is involved in the relation, but in into function, at least one element is there in the set Y which is not an image of any element in the domain X. So this is it on into function. Next, the last part, one-one correspondence. Last type of function. Fifth part, one-one correspondence. Or bijective function. One-one correspondence or bijective. So what is one correspondence? A function from x to y is said to be bijective a function defined from x to y is said to be bijective if and only if it is 1 1 and onto both. If the function is 1 1 and onto both, then that function is called 1 1 correspondence or bijective function. 1 1 means what? Different elements of x have different image in y. Onto means what? No element is left in the set y which is not the image of any element in the x. Means every element of set y is involved in the relation x, y, 1, 2, 3, a, b, c. Function is defined from x to y. 1 is related to a, 2 is related to b, 3 is related to c. So we see that different elements of x have different image in y. So it is 1 1. And no element in set y which is not the image of the elements of set x. Means every element of set y is image of some elements in the set x. So it is onto. No element is left in the set y. So it is onto. So it is 1 1 and onto both. Then it is called 1 1 correspondence or bijective function. So these are the types of function. Suppose this is the x, it is set y, and one element x is related to y. Then y is called image of x. Y is called image of x. And function is defined f like this. And we can write y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx. Means y is the image of x under the function f. So y is the image of x under the function f. We can represent y like this, y is equal to fx. And x is called pre-image of y. And x is called pre-image of y. Y is called image of x under the function f, and x is called pre-image of y. So function and types of function I explained here. I hope that you understand it. Now we will discuss some problem from the exercise. See exercise 2.3. I have taken two questions, question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1 many parts are there, but I have taken only 3 parts, first, second and sixth part. In this part we have to tell which relation is a function, and if it is a function, write its domain and range. So see, check this relation is a function or not. It is written in the roster form. So we have to tell it is a function or not. So we see that 1 1 means 1 is related to 1, 1 is also related to 2, 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 4. All the ordered pairs have same first component. Means one has many image. 1, 2, 3, 4, not unique image. So it is not a function. In the definition, it is told that every element of domain has unique image. But here, the one element of domain, that is 1, it has many image. 1, 2, 3, 4, they are images. So it is not a function. All the ordered pairs have same component, first component. So if two ordered pairs have same first component, then it is not a function. Here all the ordered pairs have same first component, so it is not a function. It is not a function. See the second one. Check the only first component of the ordered pair. First component A, first B, first C, first D. So all the ordered pairs have different first component. All the ordered pairs have different first component, so it is a function. It is a function. And what will be the domain of the function? DF means domain of the function. Collection of the first component will be domain and collection of second component will be range. So A, B, C, D. Domain will be A, B, C, D. And what is the range of the function? B, C, D, E. B, C, D. So collection of second component, it is range. Collection of first component, it will be domain. See the last part, sixth part. Check the first component in every ordered pair. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. All the ordered pairs have different first component. All the ordered pairs have different first components. It means it is a function. It is a function. And what will be domain? Domain will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. We can write domain. Domain of the function is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. This is the domain. And range? Range is the collection of second component. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So, if the relation is given in the roster form, check the first component of the ordered pair. If two ordered pairs have same first component, then it is not a function. See question number 2. Set X contains 4 elements minus 4, 1, 2, 3 and Y, that is codomain, 3 elements ABC. These relations are given. We have to tell about which one is function. So see, minus 4 is related to A, 1 is related to A again, 2 is related to B, but 3 is not related to any elements. 3 is not related to any element, so it is not a function. 3 is not related to any elements in Y, so it is not a function. In the definition of function, it is told that every element of set X has unique image, but here the elements 3 have no image in the set Y, so it is not a function. Check the second, minus 4 B, minus 4 B. 1 is connected to B, 2 is connected to A, 3 is connected to C. So we see that all the elements of set X have unique image in the set Y. So it is a function. It is a function. And see the last one, minus 4A, 1A, 2B, 3C, 1B. See these two ordered pairs, 1A, 1B. These two ordered pairs have same first component, 1, 1. These two ordered pairs have same first component, so it is not a function. Not a function. So I have taken only 2 examples. In the next video, we will discuss some more problems from the exercise 2.3. So revise these things and try to do the problems yourself. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you class.